Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve a butterfly lock wig. Stay tuned. So I've already plucked the wig and parted the baby hairs section off the baby hairs. I'm just gonna be parting the hair and applying some wax stick. The wax stick I will be using can be found on my website. I will leave the link down below. I'm just applying a small amount to the part and the front, and I'm gonna be using the hot comb to flatten it. Now I'm just going to braid that. You can either braid it or use a rubber band. I say use a rubber band because braiding may unravel because the hair is super soft. This step is not necessary, but this is a heat protectant, and I will be spraying it on the hair before using the hot comb. Just in case anyone was wondering why the parts are so big, this is a wig and the hair tends to get heavy because it is 30 inches, so that's why I make the parts bigger so it's less hair. To get that knotless look, I usually place the Cuban twist hair between the braid and then place the water wave hair through the root. Now I'm going to begin wrapping. And you want to secure the root, so I twist it multiple times before I start the butterfly effect. That's pretty much it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.